Hi guys, it's GP Angela, and I'm here with a construction update at Hersheypark. What is a construction update for? I have no idea. Wait, I'm here with the rich and famous vegan guy, and we're gonna go take a look. Come on. There's a trailer, some things, some like asphalt looking stuff, more things. Amphitheater is completely gone and they're actively working. What is that? That is a deep hole, very deep. We got a dead end now. I don't know, apparently they're twisting something up, so that's like another thing we have to think about. Like, what does that even mean? Guess is screaming swing. Now my guess is terrain, family boomerang. I don't know though. What's your guess? Hold on.